Alright guys, Adam from iClimate. We've got another job vlog in Paddington Central. We're looking at the boxing gym called 12x3, sorting out their air conditioning. Let's take a look inside and have a look at this cool boxing gym. We're doing some work in Paddington for a client of ours. It's called the 12x3 boxing gym. They called me in because they had air conditioning installed, but it wasn't operating. So after a couple of visits, it was quite evident that PCBs had been removed from all three condensers. The one we're working on today, the large 20 kilowatt split system. It looks like a VRV, but it's a split. Serves the actual boxing ring area, which we'll show you later on. What we did was replace all the new PCBs, inverters, decanted all the refrigerant from it as a safety precaution because we're not sure what state the other contractor left it in. And with this being Paddington Station, we didn't want to cause any evacuations, so we took extra precautionary measures. Pressure tested the equipment, all passed, and put in a virgin R410A refrigerant. What we found is that with the right trim charge in it, the unit doesn't seem to be doing any much heating or cooling, but not tripping on anything. So we've kept on adding refrigerant, to the point where I just did a quick test up to 20 kilos to see if it made a difference, and it didn't. So now I'm just quickly pumping back refrigerant back into my liquid bottle here, recovery, through the liquid line. This is what HVAC guys do when you don't have a recovery unit. You just use the pressure in the system to pump straight back into the bottle without the use of carrying a really heavy recovery machine, which I left at home today. So yeah, we're just taking some steps to find out why this is not cooling or heating adequately and the pressures are not lining up, by taking it back down to its actual base charge, and then seeing what happens with that. So in a little while we'll take you inside and show you how nice this boxing gym looks. All right guys, here we are inside the boxing gym, the space that we're serving. If you take a look up here, where you see my lasers shining, you'll see these white square under ceiling hung cassettes. Don't know if you can see them. There's three of them, one there, one right above the ring, and one on the corner. They are 7 kilowatts each, connected to that 20 kilowatt large split condensing unit that we're looking at. So we finally got it running after the gym was open. Now they have full temperature control, heating and cooling in the gym. All right guys, it's a wrap today for the boxing gym 12x3 in Paddington. Everything's working. We're done for the day. Keep an eye on the next job in London.